Folks, it is already Thursday of the week. Missed some week with the holiday, MLK holiday, and of course the snowcation that some folks had. Let's get back into a little simple weather show. I won't try to keep you too long. Got some things we need to cover though. The weather pattern is changing. Some of that is to see, well, I wouldn't call this warmer, quote unquote, but yeah, these readings not quite as impressive as yesterday morning, but in our modified humid continental climate that we have here in Cenla, this is pretty cold, folks. Way below the 39 that we typically see. So this is certainly unseasonably chilly, and it continues. But the weather pattern change coming in is moderating temperatures slowly but surely. So 23 in Alexandria this morning, that was out at AAX. You can see readings elsewhere in the low to mid 20s in most places. But we did still, once again, have a rash of teens in areas to the south of us where the deep snowpack remains. We had upper teens in Opelousas. We had Ville Platte in the teens as well, and several other points around St. Landry Parish in the upper teens as well. But it'll be cold again tonight, but a few degrees higher than what these numbers are indicating. Let's check out the view. Beautiful day here in central Louisiana. A clear sky, stable conditions, and you can see all the snow is melted as far as we can see there. Down in Stellies and LeBeau, you still see a little bit on the ground in the distance here. So again, those are some areas in St. Landry that had 5+ inches of snow, and it was widespread, parish wide, in fact. So a little bit of that is going to linger, certainly even in the shade. Even at my house, where I only got 2 inches, a little bit remains in the shade on the north side of the house. All right, weather headlines coming up. Weather pattern change. We've been advertising that, and basically what happens is temps moderate and rain replaces the snow. So let's get into it, folks. Here's the satellite and radar. We see a little front. We've been forecasting this front to kind of bleed into the area. You probably won't really notice that it comes through. It'll just kind of keep it from warming up a lot quickly. So this is going to kind of hold temperatures. A couple of cold nights still ahead of us with lows mainly in the 20s in most locations. High pressure coming in behind that front as well. So let's check out things beyond this time period, kind of step you through the next couple of days as we go into Friday morning. I think it's back to work and school for everyone. I didn't check parishes down south. We actually forgot to do that, but I think they're pretty much on schedule to go back for Friday morning. So no issues there, be clear, but it will be cold. You'll need to dress warmly. And then Friday, coming back home, no issues coming back. And then working into Saturday, we'll get out early doing some hunting. It'll be another cold one with the upper 20s average, but some clouds will begin to come in Saturday. That is the first indication as you look at those clouds increase Saturday that the weather pattern will be changing. All right, let's go beyond this into the upper level features. This is about 20,000 feet. This is a level called the 500 millibar pressure level. It's a standard pressure level in meteorology. Many of us who are meteorologists and forecasters call this the steering level because the upper level pattern, the weather patterns are kind of steered by the wind flow at this level. So what we've got going on by Saturday morning is this. Out of the southwest, we see southwesterly flow out ahead of a big dip in the jet stream out west. And so what happens is this kind of pattern, we'll see some high and mid-level clouds that ride this upper level flow as it comes into central Louisiana. No rain just yet. Again, that's high and mid-level moisture. The Gulf moisture will be joining it on Sunday. So that's what we've got going on then. Now we'll go step through, go from Saturday into, looks like Monday, and into Tuesday, say midday Tuesday, where we still see this big trough, this big dip in the jet stream. So we've still got southwesterly flow. And once we have a trough out west, these little ripples of energy, we call it disturbances or short waves or something like that, will ride through the flow. And when they do, the precipitation will ebb and flow. We'll see development, and then it will kick back. Then it will kick back up again with each little short wave that comes through. So this is all part of this pattern change. Again, that is Tuesday at midday. So let's fast forward to later in the week where we continue to see that trough evolve and lift it out into the plains. But if you notice this, look how deep it's become. It's become even deeper, and it's even closer as we head into Friday evening. So that is definitely going to keep the rain chances going all the way into the Friday evening time frame with this. So I'm afraid you might not like this weather pattern change because it's going to be one where there's going to be a lot of clouds. And of course, here's this couple of details on it. So this is shaping up for Sunday through Friday. This is a gloomy spell. The clouds are going to rule the sky. I don't think we're going to see much sun over that 5 to 6 day period. And so, yep, it's one of those patterns that we get here in this climate. And peak rainfall totals for the whole week could be about 3 to 5 inches. So we're pretty early in that forecast, but it does look like we'll get a good soaking rain coming in during that time frame, folks. So that is all part of the pattern change. So summing it up with your 7-day numbers for Friday, cold start 26, 28 Saturday morning. So 2 more cold mornings for us. Highs in the 50s, not overly warm there, below what we should be. We should be about 60. And going into Sunday, notice that the minimum temperature kicks up to 48 degrees. That means that we're starting to get some moisture, and I think there's a little instability with that as some showers and thunderstorms will be in the forecast on Sunday and Sunday night. Monday, with a little front coming through, things will settle down just a bit, but I still look for it to be cloudy, and I still look for at least scattered showers in the same forecast coming in on Tuesday. Not much change with the temperatures with that front, as you see, for Monday and Tuesday. Going into Wednesday, Thursday, we see another bump up in the rain chances there, going into the middle, latter part of next week with another front on the way, and that other big trough out to the west that I showed you, and that will kick up another event. So, and even warmer with temperatures in the 60s for highs. It's been a little while since we've been that warm, but it's in the forecast there for Wednesday and Thursday. So again, during this entire period, even into Friday, we've got rain chances. Friday's just a day beyond the 7-day, so there could be some locally heavy rain, a lot of clouds with that. And again, if you like that kind of pattern, you'll love what's coming up next week and perhaps even into the first part of next weekend. All right, that's it for me. Hope you have a fantastic Friday. And don't forget, Nick will be with you in the morning. I'll see you again about this time during the evening time tomorrow. Take care.